Hello. Right there. So, we're going to move everything out here. So we've got a customer that's picking up 2 trucks and they're a surprise. Nice with my helmet to match the race car. Like that.
Oh, that looks good, man.
It's not finished yet.
Yeah.
I've got grey to go on.
Oh, nice. The carbon looks so good.
It's cool though, doesn't it?
Yeah. It's a big weave as well.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah.
That's another thing I've got to do today.
Yeah. Busy day.
Israel, will you watch your coffee? It's coming out. That's yours, Jason.
That's mine.
Yeah, that's good.
Hello. Hi. Yeah, lovely weather for it. Let's see. Right, that's on charge. Suppose I better explain what we're doing, shall I?
Yeah, that'd be a good idea.
So, we're going to move everything out of here. So we've got a customer that's picking up 2 trucks and they're a surprise for his relatives. So we've done them both completely different, but same spec but different colourways. So you'll see them in the video, but yeah, they look pretty epic and yeah, it's a surprise. So we thought we're finally getting our air shrouds. So we've got 2 air shrouds coming tomorrow. So we thought we'll try it out in here, we'll do a double handover with the air shrouds. So yeah, first thing to do is move everything out of here. Racecar's going to Ferrari next week, so that'll be for another video, but we're going to put the Evo kit. So this is a Ferrari 488 Challenge. And it's going to have the full Evo kit, which is the newest version for which you need to run for the racing next year. So yeah, so we'll be putting the kit on that. So we're going to do a full video. Lancaster Ferrari are putting the kit on for us. It's sitting there now waiting, so looking forward to that. So we'll get it out of the way for now, put it in the other unit. Next week we'll take it down there. Julia's going into storage. The old truck, we might get away with leaving it in here, but should probably get it out. It's pouring down with rain today, so we'll see. But yeah, so we'll get moving about. I don't know what's what here. Hopefully, we've got keys for these doors.
You've got too many keys.
These are not my keys, these are Alex's, but
Oh.
I've left mine at home.
Oh, lovely.
So Maserati going to start.
If it starts, oh God. Hello.
Sounds so good, doesn't it?
Yeah, I love it. It's got the Larini exhaust on it, right?
Yeah, Larini centre section.
Nice. Graceful. What are you doing?
I'm taking it off a charge. There's not a lot of room. Oh, yeah. I'm going to probably get everything out of the way. I'll probably get one clean up the road and get him to do the other one and put that one in last. So I want to get one in, because we want to do some video footage on it. So we haven't really got a lot of choice. Got to do it today because we're not here tomorrow. So. Yeah, no, that's fair enough.
Well, you're here on Sunday, aren't you?
I am indeed, yeah.
So,
with you.
yeah, exactly.
And you've got to do all the talking on the camera.
Yeah.
Talking on the camera. Well, I'll do a better job than you, that's for sure. Yeah, no doubt it. You've got to live up to that now. Oh, that's it, well, yeah. See if it starts.
Oh boy.
Just put it on charge.
Okay. could drive it daily, right?
I do. The red one.
The red one, yeah. Man, this place is full. Oh my god.
There's shit everywhere.
Yeah. Yep. Brand everything. Hello. You got skills to pay the bills for the parallel parking.
Alright then.
Yeah.
I put it in this way, drive it in forwards, and then when we put it on the trailer next week, we can just reverse it straight on.
Oh, okay. This is why he's the boss.
That's it, perfect.
Yeah.
Stage 1, complete. Right.
It's like this every day.
Yeah. Just juggling, we need a bigger unit. Let's go through this way, we'll see what they're up to. Racecar's doing bits.
Oh
It's
yeah.
looking good though. You got our lights in?
Yeah. Oh yeah, he didn't say what happened to the car.
What?
What happened to the car the last time you took it out?
No, nothing. Brand new.
Oh yeah. This looks good.
Looks good, doesn't it? This is reflective as well.
Oh yeah.
And then we've put some little lights here to light up, little LEDs to light up the number. We've got undercar lighting going on. I've put the pit communication in, taken all the sound deadening out. Lee's done all the work.
Yeah.
It's a waste, though.
It looks good. It's looking good. Can't wait now to get out.
What's that?
Little sticker.
Oh yeah. Had to be done.
Makes it go faster, that sticker. By the way, I must say that I didn't just put undercar lighting on the car and LEDs and everything for no reason. It's part of the regs for the endurance, for the night race.
All right.
So when it goes into the evening, when it starts getting dark, you have to light up your numbers, light up the under the car, have your spotlights on the front and everything. So yeah, we didn't just put neons under the car like back in the 90s for no reason. But yeah, no, it's a bit of fun. It'll good. I'm looking forward to it. It'll good.
Alex is in for this one. Boom.
Name's on here.
Yeah.
I might have to just clear up the fact that yes, I did tip the car on its side on Paddock Hill in the gravel, scratch the whole side, but it was avoiding somebody else who spun in front of me.
All right. Yeah.
So just to clear that up. It's the truth. It was all on camera. They saw it in the clerk's office.
All right.
And they, the whole track's on camera. Huh?
Why haven't we seen this?
I haven't got it.
Mysteriously disappeared.
I didn't have my GoPro on at the time, actually.
Oh, more.
So,
Here we go.
Just so happens.
just adds to the conspiracy. Afterwards, we'll do some cinematics of this as well.
Yeah.
Because we've got a few sponsors that have helped us out of it. So Jake from Nova Finance, who sponsored us, Cannon Run, and B Automotive for the guys who do the wheels. So they've agreed to do refurb all the wheels, paint them, do whatever you want next year. So thank you. And yeah, that's good.
Awesome. Dead.
It's a fun bit.
Sorry?
Oh, that's too big for it.
I don't know. Oh yeah, you are tall, but you do make it look small. I'm not gonna lie.
Do you reckon through the door? You reckon it'll go?
Hopefully.
Might have to pull the back round. Pull the back round.
Lift it and pull it and turn it.
That's it. Might be heavy. A bit more. That's it. Well, not that much.
What are you doing at the desk here? No, I was just tucking in. The corner about the desk, isn't it?
Yeah, exactly. Just a bike and Adam.
Just a bike for me.
Depends whether we need another salesperson.
I don't think you need my bike.
Adam's the pro salesman.
That's it.
Only salesman. Salesman a month.
Yeah, every month it's just me salesman. Just have my face. Just like keep that picture of my face salesman of the month. Just have the whole wall of it every month.
It's alright, isn't it?
Yeah.
Look at it.
Space. You could swing 10 cats in here.
What is the difference? Well, it's just had more bits put on it. If you go on our website, derangedvehicles.com, and then click on configurator, you can configure your own. All the options are on there, and then it prices it up for you. So it's starting at 37,000, and then it goes up to you can spend. Some people spend 80,000.
Yeah, 150. I looking 150 is too.
Yeah, it's big.
It's
Yeah,
great American car.
they're big. They're good, but they're big.
Yeah.
They're nice. Right, let's go then. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wrong side. I'm used to the Raptor now.
The blue stitching in here. Nice.
Yeah, and the other one's got like the tan. If anyone wants a valeting job, shout us because we need someone full time. We can't be doing this all the time.
Gotta put the exposure up to see it.
Nice little touch.
Yeah. Love that.
I like the blue.
Yeah, the
It's
blue.
nice. It's very Ford.
Yeah.
And we actually match this stitch colour to the wrap exactly.
Wow.
Because Jay smoking the car, you need to do smoke bomb. Here is the brand new. You smell leather, you know. It's...
What he's saying is Jay basically wrecks his cars because he smokes.
When I said to Jay, "You been smoking my van?" He's like, "No."
Yeah. Never smoked in your van, mate.
Baby van, no, but Ferrari, yeah. They're about double the weight of what we usually put on.